Good morning. Welcome to Wednesday preschool. Let's get started with our calendar. All right. So let's do our counting to find out what our next number is. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Does anybody remember how to write a 20? 2 and a 0. All right, let's put it here and follow it up to see what day of the week it is. Wednesday. Great job. Let's do our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job. What month is it? Can you remember? It's May. Good job, everybody. You guys are doing amazing at that math. So let's do another round of numbers, okay? We're gonna count 1 through 10. So I really want you to watch, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're going to try to do some of those numbers. We're going to draw them in the air. You ready? So first we're going to do a number 1. So can you draw a number 1 in the air just like me? Take your finger and go from the top to the bottom. Great job. Now we're going to try a number 2. So pick your spot where you want to do it in the air. Here we go. Whoa. That's pretty cool. See, watch. Woo. Wonderful. One more time. Great. Now we're going to draw a 3 in the air. Ready? Bump, bump. See? Bump, bump. One more time. Bump, bump. Wonderful. Great job. Now we're going to do a 4. Okay? So this is a little trickier. Down. That's right. Over and line. See? Down, over, and line. Good. Try again. Down, over, and a line. Great. Here comes a 5. Here we go. Don't be scared. Here we go. We're going to start here and go bump, bump, and then a swoosh. See? Bump, bump, swish. One more time. Here we go. Bump, bump, swish. Great. All right. Number 6. Here it is. We go and swish. So you're going to start at the top and swish. Another way to do it, if you need to, is to draw a circle, right? Just draw the circle and then give it a tail up. So you can do it both ways. Circle with the tail up, or you can try to go swish. Okay? Now let's draw a number 7 in the air. Ready? Start. Find your starting spot. Bump, bump, right? Bump, bump. So over, down, over, down. Remember your down is at a little bit of a slant. So over, down. Great. Now let's do an 8. It's kind of like a snowman where you have a circle on top and a circle on the bottom. Circle on top, circle on bottom. It's all go together. Here we go. Circle on top, circle on the bottom. Wonderful. Now we're going to do a 9. All right. So this, if you need to, remember, you're just going to draw your circle and then you're going to give it a tail on the bottom. Okay. So circle with a tail on the bottom. For those that you just want to swoosh around, pick your starting point and go swoosh. So right, swish, swish. Great. All right, our last one, a big number 10. So it's a 1 and a 0. So let's make our 1, and now we're going to make our 0. Right? 1, 0. 1, 0. Let's try it in the air again. 1, 0. Great job, everybody. I'm really proud of you how you're working so hard on that. All right, so we're going to talk Billy the Duck into coming in again, and we're going to sing our little rhyme one more time. Here we go. 5 little peas. 1, 2, 3. 5 little peas sitting in a row. 5 little peas said, go, go, go. They rolled, and so far, 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 and rolled right into my pea pod jar. Yum. So let's see. Do you remember from yesterday which ones were the rhyming words? Row and go. Remember, sitting in a row, 5 little peas said, go, go, go. How about the next 2 rhyming words? Far and jar. So far, 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 and rolled right into my pea pod jar. Great job with your rhyming practice, everybody. All right, so now we're gonna review our letters again, our uppercase letters. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job. Wonderfully done. All right, let's do a little bit of math. So we're gonna do some addition and subtraction fun. So I want you to get 5 counters, okay? It can be 5 blocks, 5 markers, 5 crayons, 5 Matchbox cars, something that has 5 and that are small enough to do it, our next project. So we're gonna pull a math page and we're gonna have some fun with that. All right, so let me grab my math page. Here it comes. So it's the adding and subtracting fun. So we're gonna add on the top and subtract on the bottom. So you're gonna have your objects and I want you to go ahead and on one side, draw 2 of the objects. You can trace around the outside of the objects on your page, okay? So on 2 of the objects on that side, all right? Then on the other side of your page, I want you to do 3 of your objects, okay? So it should be 3 and 2, okay? So you're gonna trace around your objects, right? 3 and 2, okay? And then I want you to count how many things you just traced. So if I have 3 and 2, how many do I have all together? Well, let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 objects. So now on your page, now that you've traced your objects somewhere down here or maybe right here, I want you to write the number 5. Does anybody remember how to do that? Here we go. 5. Line, line, swish. All right, so practice your number 5. Okay, so you're gonna trace your items and then you're gonna write your number 5. You can write 2 5s if you want to. It's extra practice. Don't forget to put your name at the top. Now on the bottom, we're gonna take some stuff away. So you're gonna take all 5 of your objects and draw them across the top, right? So you're gonna go all the way across the top with each of your, so you would trace each of these all the way across. All right, now we're doing subtraction. So I want you, out of those 5 objects, you're gonna put a line through. Now that you've drawn them on the paper, you're going to take your pencil and draw a line through it, okay? So, if I was going to draw my 5 objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because I have little squares now that I have all 5. Now we're doing something called subtraction. We're taking away. So I want you to cross off 1, 2. All right? Now that you've crossed off 2, how many do you not have crossed off? 1, 2, 3. So I want you to write the number 3 down here. Swish, 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 swish. Okay? Because remember, you drew 2 objects here. 1, 2, and then 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. So we counted all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we drew a 5, right? Is that a 5? Nope. Is that a 5? There you go. So make sure you're doing it the right direction, okay? The 3s and the 5s go a special way, all right? So make sure you're really working on that. So draw your objects and draw your numbers, all right? Good job. So you can play around with that a little bit with your items. Maybe you have all 5 and then you take away 4. How many are you left with? 1. Maybe you have 2 objects and then you give it 1 more. and then you have 1, 2, 3, right? So if we did it again, maybe I have 4 objects this time, and I'm going to take 2 away. How many do I have left? 1, 2. Great. And if I have all 5, and I take all of them away, how many do I have? 0. Great job, everybody. All right, today in science, Benjamin's gonna come visit us as usual. He has a great book. He has another book he picked out. Say, hi, Benjamin. So what book did you pick out for us today? Whoosh. Grow It. Wow, by George Burkett. Let's find out what this book's about. Thank you, Benjamin. All right, let's read our book, okay? Grow It. Okay, look at me. I'm on the compost heap. Can we grow some of these seeds? First, we fill up the tray, spread it out. These seeds are tiny. I can push them in. You need to water the seeds. Oh no, I'm all wet. Now you'll grow just like a plant. Why are we planting these outside? I'll sprinkle these seeds in the soil too. So why do we plant seeds outside? Because they need what? Lots of soil and sunlight, and these are outside plants. How much water do these plants need? My hands are muddy. This water is cold. So when you use the faucet outside, is it cold water too? I'll pull out the weeds. We don't want them. Should I take them to my compost heap? Wow, are the sunflowers taller than me now? The tomatoes are heavy. I'll tie them up. We need a rest after all that work. Phew, the pumpkin makes a great seat. So many tomatoes. They're really juicy. Would you like these? Let's swap. So these are tomatoes. What do you think she has? Maybe cucumber and lettuce? Here I am. These beans are crunchy. Are the lettuces ready yet? Plenty to share. So these are the vines just like our pea pods would grow on, right? Homegrown salad. Nothing tastes better. What will we grow to eat next year? One day, I'll be as tall as these. So what flowers are those that he's talking about? That's right, sunflowers. Great job, everybody. All right, so let's talk about plants, right? Plants are found in containers sometimes in our house, sometimes in containers on our porches, and sometimes in our gardens, right? Yep. So let's talk about one more time what parts of the plant. Roots. What does the word roots start with? R. Good. Stems. What does stems start with? S. Great. Leaf. What does the word leaf start with? L. Ooh. And flower. What does the word flower start with? F. Good job, everybody. All right, so I will see you in tomorrow's video. You guys have a great day. Bye, preschool.